Ever wondered how to make the perfect smoothie? A drink so sublime, it nourishes the body, satisfies the palate, and leaves you wanting more. Welcome to the Ultimate Smoothie Recipe Collection, a journey through 50 delicious and nutritious blends. First stop, the Green Goddess. Begin with a handful of fresh spinach, a fruit high in iron and fiber. Add half a ripe avocado, a creamy source of healthy fats. Toss in a green apple, sweet and crisp. Pour in a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a dairy-free alternative rich in calcium. Blend until smooth. The result? A vibrant, verdant elixir that's as refreshing as it is nutritious. Next, the Sunrise Smoothie. A blend of bright, citrusy flavors to kickstart your day. Start with 2 juicy oranges, peeled and deseeded. Add a ripe banana packed with potassium. Include a small chunk of fresh ginger, a spicy twist that aids digestion. Top it off with a splash of cold water. Blend it all together and voila, a burst of sunshine in a glass. Now, the Berry Bliss. A sweet and tangy concoction that's a real crowd pleaser. Begin with a cup of mixed berries, a powerhouse of antioxidants. Add half a cup of Greek yogurt, a protein-rich addition. Sweeten it with a tablespoon of honey. Pour in a cup of chilled green tea, a unique twist that adds a hint of earthiness. Blend until creamy. The result? A very good smoothie indeed. Finally, the Chocolate Indulgence. A decadent dessert smoothie that's as healthy as it is delicious. Start with a ripe banana, nature's sweetener. Add a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, a heart-healthy choice. Throw in a handful of almonds, a crunchy source of healthy fats. Pour in a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Blend until it's a velvety, chocolatey dream. This smoothie is a guilt-free pleasure you'll want to indulge in again and again. To summarize, the Green Goddess is a refreshing blend of spinach, avocado, green apple, and almond milk. The Sunrise Smoothie is a citrusy mix of oranges, banana, ginger, and water. The Berry Bliss combines mixed berries, Greek yogurt, honey, and green tea. The Chocolate Indulgence is a decadent blend of banana, cocoa powder, almonds, and almond milk. Each smoothie is a testament to the beauty of blending. A celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients that come together to create something truly delicious. So, the next time you're in need of a refreshing drink or a quick meal, remember these recipes. They're simple, nutritious, and guaranteed to make your taste buds dance. Enjoy the journey to health and happiness, one smoothie at a time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and while you are at it, head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great smoothie tips and recipes.